Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a part of our series of creating the new account and get $200 as a credit. So $100 we got already once we created the account, and another $100 we need to complete the activities, 5 activities. So out of 5 activities, we have already completed 4 activities. Now this is the last one, and then we'll have the $200 total. Okay. So in this video, I'll show how to create an web app using the Lambda. So Lambda is a serverless platform to run the code and all without provisioning and managing the server. Okay, so let's start and see. So let's start activities and see we can create the web app and get $20 credits. So runtime, it's giving choose the blueprint or pre-packaged code template that you provide the use. So here I'll not create from scratch, but let me see if we have any things that. Let me go back and come again. uh, for getting that credit, we will have the default one only, so we can get the credit instead of creating the functions and all. Okay, here I'll get test cyber. Okay, I'll acknowledge, and so these are the like here it will create the basic role for Lambda to execute, and then we'll create the functions. So default code already provided from AWS. So the function is creating. Okay, so if you see function is created and it's loading, it's taking some time. Okay, so if you see it's created, and everything looks good. Index.html. Hello from AWS Lambda. Here let's put my channel name also, and then deploy it. So we will deploy. After deploying, we'll click test. So here we have to create one event. So let's test event. Then create test event, test, save, then deploy. Done. Test it. So execution result it's given. Now let's go to the configurations, then function URL, and here is the function URL. Let's open it and see. So it's saying hello from AWS Lambda. The blueprint you created this page, and then all the details whatever they put it in that file, it's showing here. Okay, so That's it. Let's see if we have got the $20 credits or not. Mm, So, okay, so out of five, we tested all the five and we got 100 out of 100. Okay, so now our credit is total 200. Okay, and with this video, I am completing this series, and see you in another video. So, for your information, if you are beginner to the AWS and you want to learn AWS, I am creating the video on the beginner level, how to use the AWS and all, and what is the AWS and all. Okay, so you can refer my playlist already. I have provided AWS for beginner, and there I'll explain each and everything about cloud computing and the AWS side. Okay, and if you need any help on AWS, let's connect on Instagram, and you can also comment on my video. I'll try to resolve as soon as possible. And also, if that is not under my control or something, so I'll give some suggestions and all. Okay. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my channels. See you soon.